Okay, so let's get started. So welcome to our online statistics course for spring 2021. Okay, so first let's go through our syllabus for this course. So you could find this syllabus on Georgia View. So you can go to Georgia View and browse the content, and there you will see a bunch of things in your left side, table. So you can click onto syllabus, then it will take you this page, and you just open it and check your syllabus. Okay, so I'm going to explain first the details about in our syllabus. So you can go through these all. Okay, so please go through these later. So you have bunch of things to read. Make sure that you understand all the the policies about these courses. These are all about the safety measurements we have for this semester. And let me know if there is any question after reading these uh, paragraphs. Okay. So this is our main page of the syllabus. Okay. So these are the things now we are going to look at. First, our lecture notes. Okay. The second one is homework assignments. Okay. So this is basically online assignments. The third one, you need to check is there any quizzes. Okay. Then we should know about our class test. Okay. Then we are going to look at our final exam schedule. Okay. So next we need to check the calendar. So schedule. Okay. So first of all, let's go one by one. So let's go through the syllabus first. So this is the textbook we are going to use for this entire course. This is basically, there in your online tool. I will show you about this in a minute. So if you look at here, you need to purchase, everyone, all the students should purchase, the online homework assignment account. So this can be purchased in connectmath.com website. So this is actually a third party, website. So you could type this website and go there and you need to purchase. Okay. So when you type this first time, so it will take you to this page. Okay. So or the first time when you click this, it will ask you to sign up and you need to purchase this. Okay. So you need to purchase this to do online homework assignment. Since I have an account, so these are the courses now. So you make sure that you see my name and your course section. Okay. Once you purchase that online homework tool, you will see. So you will see bunch of homework assignments here. So we will come back these, the assignments due date in a minute. So let me go back to our syllabus page. So make sure you purchase this Connect Math. So when open first time, it will ask you to enter the course code for my course. You will see the code, the course code in your syllabus here. It will be here. So go to Georgia View and download the syllabus. There you will see your course code. Okay. So you need to type that course code. After typing the course code, make sure that you are in, you know, the correct course. My name should be there on your course. Okay. So let me know if there is any, difficulty or problem about this. But everyone should purchase this. Okay. That's all about um, online assignments. So if you have any question regarding, the work and all, and you could just send an email. So most of the time, I will reply to your email within 24 hours. Okay. So remember, our course is online, completely online. So if you want to meet, me in person during my office hours, you are welcome. But I have set the virtual meeting also. So this is online office hours. If you have any doubts at all, you could, join through Zoom during these office hours. Okay. So this is the office hour time in person, face to face. So if you want to meet me in my office, you could come on either on Monday, Wednesday, or Friday. Okay, from 1 to 2:30 p.m. So my office is located in Brit Hall, second floor, 209. Now let's move on. So please read these things, and you all know about the exams. So no cheating during the exam. So make sure that you do your own work, even though this is online. So you should do your exam, not for some others. So make sure that you are not cheating. Okay. Since this is a statistics course, we mostly rely on software technology. So we are going to use scientific calculator TI-83 or 84, whatever you have it. Please make an arrangement to have you know the scientific calculator. So TI-83 plus is looks like this. So I have installed the software of TI-83 plus. So we are going to use this calculator throughout this course. Okay. So I believe you could buy used one through Amazon or something like that. So you could buy for cheap price. Okay. Oh, this all about the academic dishonesty, and I believe everyone should follow these rules strictly. Okay. Suppose if you are unable to make exam, so you need to provide the documented reason. If you have for example, if you have doctor visit appointments, so you could just send me an email with your the letter from the doctor. Then I could set up the remake for the test makeup. So make sure you follow these exams rule. Okay. Okay. So this all about Connect Math means this online. So this all about um, this is basically the online. Okay. Connect Math is online. Homework assignment. Right. Now let's look at the Connect Math online homework assignments due date. So the due date of all the homework assignments based on your class test dates. Okay. So let us check our calendar. Okay. So this is the calendar we have. So please strictly follow this calendar. Okay. So remember, this is the first day of the class, just an introduction, and tomorrow onwards, you could watch the videos for all the sections. Okay. So for the lecture videos, I will explain in a minute. So suppose, remember, if our class test, say test one, so your test one class test is going to be on February 24th, online test. So we are going to cover two sections for the first class test, that is chapter 2 and 3, right? So make sure to, cover all the lecture videos before the due dates, and you need to finish all the Connect Math work before that due date, okay? So for example, if you look at here, chapter 3, you see now the due date of this guy is February 24th. So the due date of chapter 2 and 3 based on your first class test. So it's going to be due on that class test day by 11:59 p.m. Okay, so make sure you complete all the work before that due date. Okay, so likewise, you have to do all the online work for each class test, right? So that's about online assignments. So now let's move to the lecture notes. Lecture notes are based on our lecture videos. So I have recorded, right, videos for each section. So how do you find those video links? Okay, so let me go through that. To access your video link, go to your Jojia view under the content. Look at here, the lecture video link. Simply click that and you will see plenty of video links, right? So now first, from tomorrow onwards, you are going to follow these sections. So first you need to go for 2.1, organizing the data. So simply you click the link. So it will take you to the YouTube. This is actually not mandatory. Okay. So if you have any doubt, then you can come, during this time period, and I will go through my lecture note one more time and I will explain. Okay. So, by the time passes, you may have lots of doubts. So you could come on Tuesdays this time and just let me know, hey, Dr. Raj, I don't understand this one. So I will go through, the videos or lecture notes, whatever you want. Just explain to get better understanding, okay? So our final exam is scheduled on May 12th. So the test availability is in this time frame from 8 o'clock morning to 9 o'clock evening. So you could pick any time during this time frame, but the test duration is going to be 2 hours. Okay, so you could pick according to your availability from 8 o'clock to 9 p.m. Once you start the test, you have to finish within 2 hours. That makes sense? So that's about our final exam, right? So now the next question is, how are we going to do our class test? What you want to do is, I will upload the class test under this folder, class test folder, okay? When time comes, you will see here, for example, our first class test is going to be on February 24th. So you will see the class test on that particular date here. So you just download the exam. It will be like a PDF format. Okay. So you could do the test on the exam and you need to upload your work. Okay. For each exam, for each class test. Do the test and upload your class test work. How are you going to upload? To upload your class test, go to the assessment. Under the assessment, go with assignment. There I have created Dropbox for each class test. Remember, our first class test is going to be due on February 24th. So you will see the test there, do the test, and take a picture or convert into PDF form and upload the work here. Okay, so you could use your cell phone or laptop, computer, desktop, whatever you want it. So you will upload the work here. Okay, for each class, you have to upload in proper folder, right? So if you are doing test 2, you have to upload here. Don't use the third one. So if you are doing class test 2, put into the proper folder here, Dropbox. Okay. So there are 4 class tests we are going to have. So dates are here. So that's about our class test. For the quizzes, again go to assessment. Under the assessment, you will see the quizzes tab. Go there and you will see 4 quizzes I have, set up for this course. Okay. The good thing is the due date of all the quizzes are going to be your class, the final date. You have plenty of time to, finish all the quizzes. So all the quizzes are going to be due on May 12th, final exam day, right? But my suggestion is you don't need to wait until the last moment. Whenever you study for section 2 and 3, finish those. Then 4 and 5, and so on. Okay. So when you click that, you will see the quiz problem. Then you could, work on those quiz problem. It will be around 4 to 5 problems. Okay. So very short problems I will give you. So it should be easy. Okay. So let me know if there is any question when you do the quizzes. Okay. So the time duration will be roughly 1 hour, I believe. So make sure that you complete all the work. Okay. That's for quizzes. Okay. So we looked at our calendar also, right? Yeah. Okay. Again, I'm going to upload all the practice tests under the content. And you will see the folder practice test here. So you will see a bunch of practice tests here for each, class test. And you could take the printout and work the problems. And if you have any, doubts, you can ask me. So your class tests are going to be very much similar to practice test. Once you understand all the practice test problem, you should be good. Okay, I will upload all the practice test solution here. Okay, right. Now let's look at our grading policy. So this is this, on the grading policy. For the final test, it will be counted as 20% of the final exam, and the class test will be 55%, and the online homework will be 15%, and the quizzes will be 10%. Okay. So the thing is now, I'm going to drop the lowest class test. So keep on watching these things, these all folders will be updated weekly wise. Okay. Oh, for the class notes, when you watch the video, you could look at your, the class notes and watch the video and complete all the blanks. Okay. In some cases, I may, give like this problem. So you need to complete this. How do you complete? Watch the videos. There I have explained everything and try to do yourself. And it is a very good practice for you guys to, understand the lecture content easily. Okay. You see the note and all. So you have blank here. So you watch the video and complete all the class notes. Okay. So my suggestion is you could take all the class notes, blank one, take a hard copy, take printout of all the class notes, then watch the video and fill out your class note. So you see here the class notes for all the sections 2.1, 2, 3, 4, all the way up to 10.2. Okay, it's about our class notes. So syllabus, calendar, formula sheet. So this is actually the formula sheet. So once you finish all the, the course contents in this section wise, and you will see all the formulas here. Okay, for chapter 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You see, you have bunch of formulas, no? So you have to understand the topics first. Okay. So that's about the formula sheet. So then I explained about the class notes, lecture video link, practice test solutions, tables. What is this? So at some point, maybe I believe after chapter 3, you may have to use these, tables to do some statistical, drawings we call, or solving the problems in terms of the distributions. So we have several distributions as far as statistics is concerned. So for each different distribution, for example, this table explains about the standard normal distribution. So when you study the standard normal distribution, so you have to use this table. Okay. Then after that, we will study about the t distribution. Then we have different table for that. Then after that, you will see chi-square distribution. So this all I believe after chapter 3, okay? So you have a bunch of things to, remember, no? That's about the tables. So I believe I have explained almost everything. So I'm again reminding you, so please purchase this Connect Math account, to do online homework assignments. So it will ask you to enter my course code. Your course code will be under the syllabus. So you have to go the syllabus. So you browse your syllabus in the Georgia view. Whatever you see the course code under your syllabus, simply copy those things into your Connect Math account. Okay. So you should be either, so what is your task? First, you need to purchase, Connect Math. Then you need to check your calendar every day, whatever it mentioned in the calendar. So you have to maintain that. Okay. So tomorrow you have to look for the video 2.1 section. Make sure that you understand each and every, you know, work there, and make sure you are getting understanding all the things. Okay. Then If you have any question after watching the videos and so on, you simply join with Zoom meeting during our office hours.